Here are 5 basic tips for healthy plant care. 1. Choose the right plant for the right spot. Place sun-loving plants in bright areas. Keep shade-loving plants away from direct sunlight. Know your plant's light and temperature needs. 2. Water properly. Don't overwater or underwater. Check soil moisture before watering. Use pots with drainage holes to avoid root rot. 3. Use good quality soil. Use nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Choose the right mix for indoor, outdoor, or specific plants like succulents or orchids. 4. Prune regularly. Remove dead or yellowing leaves. Trim back overgrowth to keep the plant healthy and tidy. 5. Watch for pests and diseases. Check leaves for spots, holes, or sticky residue. Use natural remedies or insecticidal soap if needed.